Hello everyone, and how is it going? I hope you're having a good day out there, and I hope the markets are moving in your favor. Let's take a look at 4 areas that I've got marked off on my charts that I'm going to watch as I trade, this time coming at you off of crude oil. We're going to start going 2 lines down to an area that the market just used as a pivotal point of resistance at 78.5. This is an area in the market that we found resistance at a lot. We did temporarily push above and got snapped right back underneath for the majority of trading activity. If we do break above it, we have another area just above it I have marked off as resistance at 79.75. This is an area that we have not broken above in a while, and if we do, I take it as a very bullish sign. Down below where price is trading, we have 74.50 marked off. It's a lower area of support, really encompassing the current sideways moving ping pong type of trading activity that we've been witnessing. This area functioning as support, and below it, if we lose it, we have 72.85 marked off, a lower area of support. Good luck, happy trading. I'll see you all very soon.